Hello, everybody, and it's a real privilege for me to be participating in this remarkable video workshop on culture and consciousness under the auspices of the Prada Foundation and organized under very difficult conditions. Now, I've been asked to talk about culture as the ultimate expression of evolution, and of course, I'm happy to try to do that. But in order to do so, I need first to dispel one common misapprehension, namely that culture is a unique possession of our own species, Homo sapiens. That's not actually the case, because in its strictest sense, culture is defined as, as the passing down through the generations of behaviors that are learned by individuals in particular segments of a population of a species. And in the light of this definition, we can find culture much more widely in nature than you might think. Indeed, one study not long ago identified 39 separate and distinct cultural behaviors in our near relatives, the chimpanzees, of which you see one here. Now, those cultural expressions range from the ways in which these apes clasp their hands, through the manner in which the males perform their sexual displays, and all the way to the ways in which they make and use tools to fish for termites, as we see one young individual learning how to do in this particular picture. And what's more, at least 13 different traditions of locally learned behaviors have also been identified among capuchin monkeys in South and Central America, most famously in the techniques that they use for smashing nuts on anvils, as you see one of them doing here. And even dolphins learn locally how to use tools from their peers. And this instance is the use of a sponge to protect the mouth, the snout, during foraging, which is just one population, of dolphins does. So the bottom line is that culture is not unique to our species or even to us and our very close extinct relatives. But what is unique is the unusual form of consciousness through which we human beings process our cultural learning.